What's up cuties, hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far today. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. If you guys are new to my channel, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the post notification bell so that you will get the notification as soon as I go live. First of all, excuse for the hair. I know they're not looking their best, but this is the best I could do in this lockdown situation. And second of all, I know that I have not been posting videos for quite some time now because actually a lot of things were happening. The second wave has hit us really hard. The aviation industry is not doing that great right now. I got COVID positive and then I got my transfer to Chennai. So I'm still kind of like adjusting into it. So I just thought like I should take a break and bring my zen back to ground level pitch and just start over fresh. But I really do want to mention that I have been overwhelmed by the responses I am receiving right now on my previous YouTube videos, and actually a lot of people DMing me constantly and emailing me constantly asking when my new video is gonna come up. So that actually kind of gave me a push and sort of gave me a confidence to record more. And so here I am back with another video. So this video is all going to be about SpiceJet Academy because a lot of people have specifically asked me this question, that what SpiceJet Academy is. So I'm going to be explaining each and everything to you guys in this video. Let me just read it out for you. First, what SpiceJet Academy is. Second, courses, duration and fees. Third, eligibility criteria. Fourth, application process. Fifth, interview process and rounds. Sixth, and the most important point, is there any 100% job guarantee? So all these points I'm going to be covering with you guys, so stay tuned and let's just get into the video. So the first point, what SpiceJet Academy is. So SpiceJet Academy is an aviation academy. I mean, you must have heard about a lot of institutes or coachings which provide you training to clear cabin crew interview. This is somewhat like that only, but the difference is that this is the first academy which is owned by an airline, which is SpiceJet. Basically, it is a collaboration of SpiceJet Airlines with Amity University. The main motive to start this academy is so that the candidate should be able to do their graduation or post-graduation, whatever they go for, and simultaneously work as a cabin crew in the airline. There are only two courses which are available for you. First is BBA and second is MBA. If you go for the BBA one, the duration is for 3 years, and for MBA it's for 2 years, just like if you do it from any other college. And the fees which you need to pay if you go for the BBA course is 3.75 lakhs. You can pay it in one go or you can pay it in installments. If you want to pay it in installments, then it's going to be like 1.75 you need to pay in the first year. Then in the second year 1 lakh and third year 1 lakh. But if you go for the MBA course, you need to pay 2.75 lakhs. So the same way, you can pay it in installment or you can pay it in one go. If you want to pay it in installments, then first year you need to pay 1.75 lakhs, and in the second year you need to pay the rest of the amount, which is 1 lakh. Third is the eligibility criteria. So first of all, you need to have an Indian passport if you want to apply for this academy. Second, your minimum age should be 17 years and 9 months, and there should be no blemishes or pimples or marks on your face or on your arms or anywhere on the visible areas. There should be no tattoos on the visible areas. Then the minimum height for a male cabin crew is 173 centimeters and for a female cabin crew is 153 centimeters, and the weight should be proportionate to your height. If I talk about the qualification certificates, then if you want to go for the BBA course, you need to have your 10+2 certificates, all of them, and your basic documents like your Aadhaar card, PAN card, etc. Then if you want to go for the MBA course, then you should be having your graduation certificate with you and your mark sheet of each and every semester. Then only you can apply for the MBA course. If you have completed your 12th standard with any stream, with any percentage, it does not matter, you can apply for it. Fourth is the application process, so how you can apply for it. I think it is spicestar.edu.in is the official website for SpiceStar Academy. However, I'll put the link in the description box, just check it out once. So first what you need to do is you need to register yourself on that website. There will be some basic information which is required there, like your name, your contact number, your state and city, and your basic information. But yeah, I would say that your resume is really important because the picture of your resume will be required when you register yourself there. So be ready with that. If you want, I will make a separate video on how your resume should look if you want to apply for cabin crew. Just comment down below if you would like a separate video on that. So first of all, you need to register yourself on the website, and if you have any doubt or query related to anything after watching this video, there will be a contact number and an email address available on that website, so you can contact them anytime if you want. Then after registering yourself over there, you will receive an email from SpiceStar Academy about your interview date and the procedures. So that's how you can apply for it. Now the sixth and the most important point, and I would say the most frequently asked question, is that do they really provide you 100% job guarantee? So yes, they do provide you 100% job guarantee. Your training would be for 6 months. First three and a half months, I would say, which we call non-mandate training, where you would be taught about your communication skills, your grooming, then your basic etiquettes, your dining etiquettes, your posture and everything. You would be taught about different kind of cuisines and drinks and everything. In first 3 months, for a week or so, you would be going to Amit University as well for your BBA or MBA thing, where you'd be taught about how you should prepare for the examination, what is the paper pattern, and how would you be giving the examination and all. So that will happen in your first 3.5 months, which is your non-mandate training. Then if you complete your non-mandate training, then only you will go to the mandatory training, which is like the most important training. If you do not clear your mandatory training, you cannot become a cabin crew. In your mandate training, actually they will teach you the most important topics which are required to become a cabin crew, which they will actually give you the license to become a cabin crew, which are like first aid, your safety, your aviation security, dangerous goods. So these are the examinations which you need to clear if you go in mandatory training. So these are the 2 phases of your training. If I talk about stipend, then in last 2 months stipend would be provided to you, which would be about 8,500, and the additional 2,500 is for the transport expense. So this is the bifurcation. In first 4 months there will be nothing which will be provided to you by the company. Only in the last 2 months the stipend would be given to you. And do not worry about anything. As soon as you clear your cabin crew interview, your appointment letter would be given to you right there then and there. So do not worry about anything. It's not like fake or something, because a lot of people do ask me this. So it is quite genuine, and they really do provide you 100% job guarantee if you clear the training, of course. So this was the entire video about SpiceStar Academy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then please do hit the like button and share it with your friends to kind of create an awareness about this academy. And do hit the subscribe button if you have not done already, and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I post a new video. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for supporting me till now, and I really love you guys, and have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.